Welcome to Learn Easy. Share. Share. What is share? Share is an invisible unit of capital expressing the ownership relationship between the company and the shareholder. So let me write down what is share. It is an invisible unit of capital expressing the relationship between the company and the shareholder. Shareholder. Now, when we will discussing the topic of share, there are some terms. First is nominal value. What is nominal value? It is also called face value. It is the registered value or printed value, or it is termed as face value. That means it is registered value or printed value or face value. Again, this nominal value, it is given in the initial issuance of the share. Given in the initial issuance of the share. Now, second term is market value. Market value. What is the market value? It is the price of share at a particular time in the market, stock market. In this price, shares are purchased or sold in the stock market. So, market value is the price of share at a particular time. In stock market. That means it is that price in which shares are purchased and sold. So you can write here, in this price shares are purchased or sold. Then another term comes, there is dividend. That market value may be, that market value means MV. That market value may be at par. At par means at par of face value. Face value. That means in this condition, MV is equal to FV. Market value may be premium of face value. In that condition, MV greater than FV. Market value may be discount of face value, where MV is less than FV. MV is less than FV. That means MV market value is less than face value. Now the term comes. Now the term comes dividend. Dividend. The profit of the shareholders gets. Dividend is the profit of the shareholder gets. Then dividend is the profit the shareholder gets. From where he will get profit? From the profit of the company. From the profit of the company. Again, this dividend is expressed as the percentage of nominal value or face value. Dividend is expressed as the percentage of face value. So these terms, using these terms, now I will formulate some formula. Now formula. So sum invested is equal to number of share into market value of share. Number of share bought into MV market value per share. That is sum invested. Again, number of share bought if dividend is given, then from dividend here dividend is given, the total dividend divided by dividend per share. Total dividend divided by dividend per share. Now return percentage. Return percentage. Return percentage means income or return it is called income percentage also. Return percentage, income or return that percentage, that is income divided by investment into 100, or if I put the value of investment, then income divided by number of share bought, that investment, number of share bought into MV per share. Put in this formula, we can solve problems also. So, first problem is, Dinesh invests rupees 9,000 in a company paying dividend of 6% per annum when share of face value rupees 100 stands at rupees 150. That means 150 is market value. What is his annual income? Second question is, if he sells 50% of his shares when the price rises to rupees 200, what is his gain in this transaction? What will be the solution? Here given investment is equal to rupees 9,000, paying dividend of 6%. Dividend 6%. Dividend 6% per annum. Dividend is always calculated on the face value. That means 6% of face value. When share of face value is given rupees 100, stands at rupees 150. That is market value is equal to rupees 150. What is the annual income? Let me do this portion first. So, investment is 9,000, MV is 150. So, number of shares is equal to investment divided by MV per share is equal to investment is given 9,000 divided by MV is given 150. It comes 60. So, number of shares is 60. Now, annual income per share 6% of face value, it is given. Per share 6% of face value is equal to 6 by 100 into face value is 100 is equal to rupees 6 annual income per share. We have found an annual income, total annual income. So, annual income is equal to annual income per share into number of share is equal to rupees annual income per share 6 into number of share 60 is equal to rupees 360. This is answer number 1. For answer number 2, if he sells 50% of his shares when the price rises to 200, so 50% for 2, 50% of share is equal to 50 by 100 into number of shares 60. So 50% of share is 30. See, these 30 shares, when price rises to rupees 200, he sold. So here MB is equal to rupees 200. It is given. Then money received by selling of 30 shares, money received in selling of 30 shares is equal to MV per share into number of share is equal to rupees MB per share 200 into number of share, here 30, it comes as rupees 6,000. Okay, but our question is, what is his gain? So for these 30 shares, in which price he bought? So cost price of 30 shares he bought at the price of 150 rupees. 150 into 30 is equal to rupees 4500. Then what is the gain? So gain in this transaction is equal to 6,000 minus 4,500 rupees 1,500. This is the answer number 2. Now this sum is completed. Now I am solving another sum. A man wants to buy 62 shares available at 132 when par value is 100. That means MV is 132 and FV is 100. How much he will have to invest? First question. If the dividend is 7.5%, what will be his annual income? Second question. If he wants to increase his annual income by rupees 150, he wants to increase his annual income by rupees 150, how many extra shares should he buy? Interesting question. So solution is given number of shares (62) available at 130 rupees 130. That means MB rupees 132 per share. When the par value means FV, face value, rupees 100 per share. Now for question 1, how much he will have to invest? That investment we have to find out. Okay. So for number 2, again dividend is given. So dividend is equal to 7.5%. This dividend is always on face value. Number 2, annual income. If you want to increase his annual income by rupees 150. Okay, let us first solve this 1 and 2. So he has to invest MB per share in number of share. MB per share into number of share. This investment he has to do is equal to MB per share 132, MB per share 132 into number of share. Number of share means 62. If we multiply this, we will get rupees 8184. Okay. This is answer number 1. For 2, annual income. Dividend per share is given. Annual income is equal to dividend per share into number of shares. Into number of shares. Now dividend per share, what is dividend per share? Dividend is 7.5%. Dividend is 7.5% of face value. That is, dividend is 7.5 100 into face value is 100 into number of shares. Number of shares means 62. It comes as 7.5 into 62. After multiplication, we will get it 465. This is the answer. For third, if he wants to increase his annual income by 150, how many extra shares should he buy? So, extra shares should he buy is equal to this amount 150 divided by dividend per share is equal to let me first say what is dividend per share. Dividend per share is equal to dividend per share is equal to 7.5% of face value is equal to 7.5 divided by 100 into 100 is equal to rupees 7.50. So extra shares should be by 150 dividend per share. So this will come again extra share to buy is equal to 150 divided by 7.5. It will come 20. So 20 number of shares he has to buy extra. That's all.